You've been seeing Canva everywhere, but do you know you can actually make a real money with it, even with the free version? Today, I'll be showing you step by step how I personally turn Canva into money making tools and how you can also do this. Hi guys, Ola is here from IT Solutions. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 powerful ways to make money using Canva for free. Yes, you hear me right. 5 powerful ways to make money using Canva for free. But before I dive into the money part, let me quickly introduce Canva because a lot of people have heard the name but don't know what it truly does. If you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm dropping a money making tips, you'll be the first person to get notified and get to watch it. Now, what is Canva? Canva is a free online design tool that was launched back in 2013. It is available on websites canva.com and also as a mobile app on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Canva is used by business owners, freelancers, affiliate marketers, social media managers, students, and even big brands for things like social media posts, YouTube thumbnails and banners, logos and flyers, business presentations, ebook covers, resumes, and more. Basically, if you need a design, Canva has a template for it. How do you get started? Go to www.canva.com on your laptop or download the app on Play Store or App Store. You can use your Google account, email, or Facebook to create a free account on Canva. Once you logged in, you have access to thousands of free templates, images, fonts, and design elements. And don't worry, this free plan is enough for you to start making money. Now let me share my own story so you can actually know this is real. I've been using Canva for more than 4 years, and in that time I've made more than $4,000 on Upwork doing some simple designs and video editing jobs using Canva as my main tools. I have worked with clients locally in Nigeria and globally across the US, UK, Ghana, South Africa, and more. Canva is what I use to design all my YouTube thumbnails, channel banner, Instagram posts, and clients' social media packages. So when I say you can make money with Canva, I am speaking from personal experience. Now let's dive into the money making part. But before we do that, I will remind you to hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm dropping in money making tips every week, you'll be the first person to get notified and get to watch it. The first way to make money with Canva is by creating and selling digital templates. Platforms like etsy.com for global digital product sales and Gumroad.com for global digital downloads, courses, and PDF. They all made it possible for you to make money with Canva. Now, let me break it down. Examples of things you can design in Canva: Instagram carousel templates, business card designs, resumes and CV templates, planners and journals. How do you go about it? Create a free account on etsy.com or Gumroad.com. 2. Use Canva to design your product. 3. Export it as PDF or PNG. 4. Upload with a nice title, description, and mockup. The pro tips here is that use Canva Smart Mockups to present your design in a professional way. Once your store is set up, sales can keep coming in every day without you working, and that's passive income, right? The second way for you to make money with Canva is to offer a freelance design services. Platforms like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com, they made it possible for you to offer a freelance design services. Now, what are the services you can sell on Fiverr or Upwork? They are YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, logos, and social media posts. Now, what are the steps? Let me break it down. Sign up a free account on Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. It's free. Create a profile with your skills and upload samples of designs you made in Canva. Apply to jobs or create a gigs like I would design a professional YouTube thumbnails with Canva. This is exactly how I made over $4,000 on Upwork doing Canva design jobs for international clients. The third way you can make money with Canva is to offer a social media management. Businesses always need Instagram posts, Facebook flyers, and TikTok graphics. And guess what? Canva makes this super easy. How do you go about this? It's simple. First step, approach your local businesses in your area like boutiques, restaurants, churches, or online vendors. 2. Offer them a package like 20 Instagram posts plus Facebook banners every month. Then you went ahead and designed everything with drag and drop templates on Canva. Then you charge them a monthly retainer of 50k or above, or $60 or above. This is realistic for most Nigerian business. This is steady income because businesses always need a fresh content to push out their products to their potential buyers. The fourth way to make money with Canva is by creating a designs for print on demand. Platforms like printify.com and redbubble.com made it possible. Then what are the steps? Create an account with printify.com or redbubble.com. Use Canva to design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, bags, and stickers. Upload the designs and choose products. Printify or Redbubble will handle the printing and shipping. Each time someone buys, you earn profits with no inventories, no shipping. The fifth way you can make money with Canva is by selling your own digital products. Examples are budgeting trackers, studies planners, Instagram growth guides, and ebooks layout. Steps are to design everything in Canva, then export it as PDF. You can sell it via your own website, Gumroad, or even Notion pages. Then promote it on social media. This is great for long-term passive income. The final pro tips here is that always use Canva Smart Mockups to preview and present your designs. A good presentations and preview can double your sales conversion. Canva is not just for school projects or Instagram quotes. It is a real business. Pick one method, stay consistent, and you start earning. I have personally done this, and if I can do it, you can actually do it also. Now, question of the day. Which Canva method are you trying first? Drop your answer in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your fellow hustler. Peace out. See you in my next video. Bye.